Hi, I'm Katrina Pike, and we're exploring simple machines at the Pickering Museum Village. So in the early settler days, in order to turn on a light, you had to put a candle in a light fixture and then hang the fixture somewhere where the light would be able to cast as much light all over the room. So in a room like the hotel, in our dining room, these light fixtures hang from the ceiling and they light up the room not badly in the evening. But it's nice and close to reach to hang them. It's not always the case with all the buildings at the museum. So as you can see, these light fixtures have to hang quite a bit higher than the ones in our hotel. It's a long ways up there, and I don't think I can lift these up and keep them at the ceiling. So there is a simple machine that can help with that. A pulley is the right tool for this job. By pulling down on the rope, you can see I can raise the chandelier up above everyone's head, and I can secure it in place by tying the rope off. Pretty simple, isn't it? And I'll show you in a minute how a pulley actually works. A pulley is a wheel and axle, but the wheel has a groove in it so that the rope can run around and over it and stay in the track of the wheel. So that when you pull on the rope, you can move the wheel. That's what's working up in the ceiling of the chapel. When I pulled on the rope ran over a wheel with a groove in it that fed the rope through, hooked onto the chandelier at the other end to raise it up when I pulled. So when I pulled down, the chandelier went up. So your challenge now is to go around your house and see if you can find any pulleys in your house. Remember, there are a wheel and an axle with a groove so that the rope can go over the wheel, so that when you pull, you can raise or lower an object. Your second challenge is to go to the museum's digital artifact collection and see if you can find any artifacts that are pulleys in our collection.